Greetings everyone who like cook at home, cook healthy food. Today we will do the soy milk. So first of all, we put a bean on overnight in the water, and I add a bit peanuts for make taste a little bit better. Then when it absorb water, we put it in a blender. We will mix it everything, and then we will take everything out and filter it. That's it. So we have like kind of water, and we add same amount of water to the blender, so like 100% of water compared to the beans. So everything what we take it out, you can cook later with your cereals, let's say. And now you can drink your soy milk, but basically in raw way it's not really tasty, same like I don't know, rice milk or beans milk. So when it's cooked, bam, it's ready. You can add a little bit honey or some other spices. Simple and quick.